Hello guys, welcome back to Show Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about some of you guys will be having this error called Epic Games downloaded Fortnite but error, which is happening right now for most users who are trying to play the game Fortnite on the PC and they're having this error. So the solution is, all you have to do is, just when you're having this error, what you have to do is you just have to close this up and you just have to go here and you just have to go to settings, and from here check for any kind of update and security. Make sure that you are up to date. So if you have any kind of updates, you just have to go for resume updates. You can go for the updates, which means it will check for the updates, and if you're having any kind of latest updates, it will be getting updated and try to open the game, which most probably will be fixing the issue up. So this error is right now happen, and some of the solution is most people have shared in the Reddit is just update your PC, and this is what you have to do. And I hope this video is helpful for you guys, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.